Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we take a deep dive into the legendary comeback of the Hindustan Ambassador. The 2025 model blends timeless heritage with modern technology, making it a true icon reborn. Let's explore its design, performance, and features. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is powered by a 2.0L turbocharged petrol engine producing 170 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque, offering a smooth and refined driving experience. Additionally, a hybrid powertrain option delivers 200 horsepower, enhancing fuel efficiency while maintaining the classic Ambassador feel. At the front, the Ambassador retains its signature rounded design but with a modern touch. The LED headlamps feature a retro-styled circular look with integrated DRLs, preserving the classic feel while offering modern illumination. The redesigned grille sports chrome accents, paying homage to its heritage, while the robust bumper is equipped with fog lamps and air vents for improved aerodynamics. From the side, the Ambassador's iconic boxy silhouette remains, with smoother lines and a longer wheelbase for added stability. The large 17-inch alloy wheels with a vintage-style multi-spoke design give it a premium appeal. The side glass area is expansive, ensuring excellent visibility, while the chrome-finished door handles add a touch of nostalgia. At the back, the Ambassador embraces LED taillights with a retro-inspired circular shape. The boot is spacious, and the chrome-plated rear bumper enhances its premium stance. The dual-tone color scheme, with contrasting roof options, adds to its visual appeal. This modern interpretation of the Ambassador ensures that its classic charm remains intact while meeting today's automotive standards. Inside, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador offers a mix of retro styling and modern technology. The dashboard is crafted with soft-touch materials and wood inserts, maintaining the classic luxury appeal. The 10.25-inch LCD touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. The analog-style digital instrument cluster blends nostalgia with modern functionality. The side doors feature premium upholstery with chrome door handles and integrated ambient lighting, enhancing the cabin's elegance. The gear selector is a rotary dial, seamlessly merging classic design with modern convenience. The red illuminated start-stop button adds a sporty touch, while the leather-wrapped steering wheel is equipped with multifunction controls for an intuitive driving experience. The front seats are plush and offer excellent lumbar support, available with heating and ventilation options. In the rear, the Ambassador continues its legacy of comfort with sofa-style seats and a foldable table between them, providing first-class luxury for passengers. The ample legroom and high roofline ensure a spacious and airy feel inside. Cargo space has been significantly improved, with a deep and wide boot that can easily accommodate luggage for long journeys. With the rear seats offering a split fold function, practicality is enhanced, making the 2025 Ambassador a well-rounded vehicle for both luxury and daily use. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is expected to start at 20 lakh rupees for the base petrol variant, while the hybrid model will be priced around 25 lakh rupees. Given its legacy, modern features, and powerful performance, the Ambassador offers exceptional value for those looking for a mix of nostalgia and contemporary luxury. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is a perfect blend of past and present, delivering luxury, comfort, and performance in an iconic package. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews here on Road Ready Review.